Good morning students, welcome back to Information Technology, Impressive Web Designing. This is lecture 3. In the last lectures, we have learned HTML5 program structures, how to design the web page using HTML5. The HTML5 containing the new tags like header, nav tag, section, article, aside, footer. This all new tags comes in the HTML5. Then we have discussed all the tag one by one. Then we have learned text formatting elements, how to format the text on the web page. For example, by using the B tag you can make the text bold. By using I tag you can make the text slanting or italic. By using U tag you can make the text underline, or like this other tag we have learned how to use for superscript subscript text effect. Similar way we have learned to highlight the text and inserting the text in the existing text, and we have learned how to write HTML5 programs. While writing HTML5 programs we have learned the new tag, that is exclamation doc type HTML, then the HTML, then head, then we have given the title to the program. Then in the body sections we have written some text for making the text bold, italic, underline, superscript and subscript. Similar way we have inserted the text, and some text we have highlighted by using the mark text. And then we completed the body tag and the HTML tag. So whatever things we have added in the body section, that will be displayed on the web page. So this was a revision of the last lectures what we have learned. So this lectures we are going to learn heading label tags. Heading label tags. HTML provides 6 levels of heading tags. The range is from 1 to 6, and these heading labels are represented as H1 to H6. H1, H2, H3, H4 and H6. In this, H1 is the largest one and H6 is the smallest one. So let's see how we can use this heading label tags. So that you are going to open text editor from your computer. That may be Notepad, or as I told you, you can download Sublime text editor and you can use that. And suppose you are practicing this HTML on your smartphone, then you are going to download one app that is called Writer. Writer app you have to install on your mobile, and that demonstration also I have showed you in the last lectures. So we'll continue the program by using H1 to H6 heading label tags. While writing the HTML5 program, the basics tag will remain same, that is first exclamation doc type HTML tag. This is the very first tag we are going to use while writing the HTML. Okay, HTML5 program. Next, HTML. This tag will tell the computer to convert this type code into the HTML format, means hypertext markup language format. Then we use the head tag, and within the head tag we use the title tag. So title tag we use to give the title to our web page, and this title will be displayed on the browser when you run the website or the web page. Once you run the web page, it will be displayed on the browser what title you are given to your web page. Okay, that title. Now suppose you are today you are learning heading label tag, so you can give here the title heading label tags. Okay, this text will be printed on the browser title bar. So this is the use of the title tag. Okay, whatever you are going to place in the opening and the closing tag in between, that text will be displayed on the browser title bar. Okay, then you are going to close the head tag, and then we are going to start with the body tag. With the body, if you use any other attribute, suppose you want to give the color to the web page, then we can use bg color attribute. This is called attribute. This is called attribute you can use. So this attribute will give the color to your web page, background color to the web page, and which color you want, that color name you can write over here. For example, you want yellow then you can write the yellow color name over here. Actually we are going to place the code of the particular color, but you are not going to understand what are the codes are there. That's why you can directly write or type the name of particular color which you want as a background. Then we are learning now one by one heading label tag. This is the first H1. As I told you, this is the largest heading style tag. So whatever you are placing in this tag, it will be displayed big on the web page. So we are going to write here some text. Don Bosco I am writing. Don Bosco High School and Junior College. High School and Junior College Oris. Okay, and then close the h1 tag. Once you close the h1 tag, the second tag you are going to use, that is h2, smaller than this. Suppose this text you want to print smaller than that, then you can just copy and paste it down, and you can use a new tag, that is h2. Now we'll save this program and we'll check whether these heading style tags are working or no. You have to close the body tag and then the HTML tag. Go to the file and click on save. So your otherwise if you this file is already saved, that's why there's save dialog box not come, like this save dialog box come. Here you have to give the heading dot label dot html. You can write like this and click on save. Yes, so this file is already saved. Okay, and now this program where you save this file, that place you have to go. Suppose this file saved on the desktop, then you have to go to the desktop, double click, and it will open in the browser. Now I'm opening this because this Sublime text editor has the advantage. Here you can click, right click, and then click on open in browser. If you have written this program in the notepad, then you have to go where you saved this on the desktop. So now look here on the desktop, here it is. So here if you double click, it will open. Look here, you have given the background color yellow and the first heading tag you use, that is h1, and it is printed such a big text, Don Bosco High School and Junior College. Then we use the h2, so that's why smaller than this output you got. Now we are going to see one by one once again. We are going to use h3 now. Just copy and paste it down and change the heading label tag, that is h3, and below that h4, h5, and the last one is smaller one, that is s6. Here we can use s6. Now save this program once again and see the output in the browser. Same file you have to open in the browser once again, so you will get the output. Look here, this is the output. Small. The h6 is the smallest one, h1 is the biggest one. So this we printed first, then second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, if you want smaller size font size, you can use the s6. Okay, this type of when you are going to make a web page where you want a heading, there you can use this heading label tags. Okay, now we are going, so I hope you understood how to use the h1 to s6 heading label tags. Okay, which is the largest one? h1 is the largest one, and which is the smallest one? s6 is the smallest one. So you got a output also and you got a code. So my dear students, you have to practice this and then you will come to know, and writer also will display the same output. Now we are going to learn attribute, and that attribute name is align attribute. We are going to learn. Suppose this text you are going to take it center, Don Bosco High School. Look here the output, here left side it come, and you want this text to the center, then we can use the alignment. There are 4 type of alignments are there: left, right, center, and justify. So we are going to use the center alignment. Just we are going to place the cursor in the h1 tag inside or any other tag. Okay, and you have to use the attribute align. Do not make mistake, align spelling. Sublime text editor is display ALIGN. Okay, but in notepad you will not get, so you can make mistake over there. So align equal center. Center spelling also there are two way we can write. So here center, not a centre. Okay, so center spelling this way you have to write. So here this text will directly shift to the center of the page. Now save this program and see the output, or refresh this page. See, once you refresh this page, the alignment you are given center. That's why Don Bosco High School and Junior College Oros when this text was center. So like this, all text you want to take is center, you can take it center. Now suppose I want this text to the right hand side, so I can use the alignment for this here, third heading label 3. Here I am going to use right. Right, save this and refresh the page and check. See, this text went to the right hand side. Now center is over, left is over, and right. Left is by default, center you can use, and right. And one more is left, justify. Justify you can use when if you have written paragraph in your web page and both the side you want the text neat and well organized, then you can use the justify alignment. Okay, so at least 3 alignment you must learn, that is left, right, and center. Okay, so you got output here, right alignment and center alignment I use here. You just edit the code, you will get output if you save the program and refresh the web page. So there are 4 different type of alignments are there. So my dear students, while creating web page, you have to create a web page using these features. First means you are going to use the largest heading label, and you can write on top biodata. Then you can print your name in the bold. Then you can print your address in the italic. Then standard with the underline, and you can take this biodata center of the web page by using the center alignment. Use any text editor to type the code and save with the file name with the extension .html and display the output in the browser. Now we are going to learn how to insert image in the web page. So we are going to take out this alignment, I don't know, alignment, or let it be, no problem. So we are going to insert one image. Now whenever you visit any website, I'll open any website and I'll show you how that websites inserted some image. For example, Rediff mail if you take. So I'm opening any web page. So now this website is open, suppose Rediff mail. So look here on the left page, there are so many images are there. So many images are entered here. Different images are here. Okay, and this type of image you are going to insert in your web page. Then you have to learn the image tag. Okay, by using image tag, one can insert an image within a web page. The image tag having some attribute, that is src attribute. Some attributes are there. Look here, the image tags having some attribute: src, height, width, and alternate text. So src, it is used to specify the path of an image file where the image is stored. No, that path you are going to take. Then you can use the source code. The src means source, where the source file is there. That file may be png extension, jpg extension, or gif file. By using these 3 extension, you can insert any picture on your web page. And once you inserted a picture, it will come such a big web picture will come. It will cover your whole web page also, because such a big picture is that it will cover whole web page. So that you can learn height and width. These 2 attribute you have to use with the src for the image. So the height, what will happen, the height, how much you want, you can define, as well as the width, how much you want, you can define for that image. And if the image are missing, and then you can use the alternate text. The alternate text will be displayed over there. Now we are going to learn all this attribute with the image tag. Okay, so let's try. Now I'm going to insert flower image in my web page here. So what is the tag? img tag you are going to use. And which attribute you are going to use? src. This attribute you are going to use equal in double inverted code you are going to take the path of the image where the image is there. Now see, I have stored the image over here. Here this is the image, this flower image I want to insert in my web page. So just right click over here, go to the properties. Once you go to the property, you will get a location of this file where that flower image is there, that location. Now see the location on C drive, username and the desktop, means this file is kept on the desktop. So this is the path, this is the address of that particular image. So you have to copy this address. How to copy? Select it, right click and click on copy. Okay, once you copied, then come to your program and paste where you want in between this double inverted code. So click over here and paste it. So once you paste, no need to write, you are not going to make mistake. Then you have to put one forward slash like this, and then you can go again back and copy this name. And this image is JPG image. Look here, this is a JPG image it is. So this flower name also you have to select and copy it. While typing you can make mistakes, so it's better to copy and then go back again here and paste over here, paste and put extension JPG. Okay, here you made a mistake, your image will not display. The extension require proper. If you are given the proper extension, this image will go. Now see here, we are not use this height and width, we are not insert. Let's see the output what will happen, because height and width are not given means such a big image will come. What is the image size is there, that size will appear on your web page. Now we are going to save this code and open in the browser. If the browser is open, just check it, this browser is open, just refresh it. See, image came. Smaller than this image you want, then you can use the height and width. Okay, if you want to use height and width for this, go back to again here, and here you have to use now height. Suppose you want 100. Okay, and the width you want again 100. Okay, save this code and refresh the page and check it. See, the size is change of this image, it become a small 100 and 100. You can make it big also by increasing or decreasing the height and width. Now suppose some browsers are not showing these images, for example Mozilla Firefox, all the browsers are not going to support or not going to show these images. Some browsers not showing, some are compatible that are showing. For example, this output you got in the Microsoft Edge, but in the Google Chrome if you open, you will get as it is, but some browser is not going to show the output. For example this Mozilla Firefox and all. Okay, and there that time you are going to show the alternative. Once the user move mouse on the image, that text should appear, what type of image. Now here text is not appearing. Okay, so we can make the changes over here. We can use alternate text. For that we can use alt. Okay, and then we can write the name of the image, flower.jpg. Okay, and save this and refresh it. And if it is missing, the name of that image will be displayed over here when the mouse is moved. Okay, if you open this output on any other browser, then you will come to know that. Okay, now suppose I am opening this in other browser. Let's see, we are going to open this output in Mozilla Firefox. Open with Mozilla Firefox. See, Mozilla Firefox did not display the image. Did you understand what is the difference between the different type of browser? All the browsers are not compatible. Okay, that's why it display the flower.jpg. How this flower.jpg displayed? Because of the alternate text. Because of this alternate text, that name is printed over there. So that's the difference between the different browser. All the browsers are not going to display what you are going to print. Suppose you are facing this type of difficulty, means you have to change the browser. How to change the browser? Here just right click over here where you save your file, go to the this context menu will be displayed, open with, and here how many browsers are there in your computer will be displayed. Now here I am having 1, 2, 3, and 4 browsers are there. I can open in Internet Explorer, so you open Internet Explorer support. Look here, I'm opening in the Internet Explorer now. So Internet Explorer will display the same output. Means these are the compatible browsers are there, but some browsers are not compatible, that are not going to display the image. So once again I am opening this output in the Google Chrome. Also I am going to show you if it is opening in Google Chrome or no. So Google Chrome also will display the same output. So it is opening over here in the Google Chrome. So these are the compatible browsers are there, but Mozilla Firefox is not a compatible, that's why it show missing image, and for that reason we can use the alternate text. So here again I am opening in the Microsoft Edge. All 4 browser I showed you the output. So now you understood that Mozilla Firefox did not show any output. So by this way we can insert the image in the web page. For that we can use image tag. Okay, so image tag you understood, and the heading label tag you understood. Now see, Don Bosco High School and Junior College, here I want one line, horizontal line I want. Here Don Bosco High School and Junior College, I want to make it separate. So horizontally you line you want in on this page, then we can use the HR tag. So HR tag, what will it will do? It will display horizontal ruler line, and it is a singular tag like a BR tag. No need to close it. Let's see how to use it. Now here I am going to use in a, below this Don Bosco H1 heading style. Here I am going to use the HR tag. Okay, it is a singular tag, empty tag. It does not have a closing tag like H1 is opening tag. Here closing tag. Here does not have to close. Okay, so here no need to close. You can directly write this one, and it will display the horizontal line. Okay, let's see. Save this file and open in the browser. Refresh this. See, you got a line over here. Means Don Bosco High School and Junior College is separated with the lines. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so this is the output. Now we can change the color of this ruler horizontal line. Width also we can change, and the size also we can change. So we can give the color attribute or width attribute or the size attribute to change the size. So let's see, we can change little bit size equal 5 we can use. Save this file and refresh the output. So see, the size is increase. Okay, then next, suppose you want to give the color. So color also we can give to this. Which color you want, you can type. Save and refresh the browser and check whether you're getting color. See, the color came. So we can change the color of the horizontal line. We can change the size also of this line. Okay, by using the which attribute? To change the size attribute. To increase the width, you can, or increase or decrease the width, you can use the width attribute. Now I'm going to use the width attribute here, width. So width attribute I'm going to use. Suppose I'm going to use the width 20%. It's called pixel. Save this and refresh the browser and check what is happening over. See, here the size of the width is changed. 20% it become. It was before 100%. Now it become a 20%. You want to make changes again, you have to give here 100%. Okay, so 100 you make. Save this file, save, refresh and check it what is happening. See, you got again as it is line over there. So this is the use of the attribute of the HR tag. 3 attribute we have learned. Color, you can change the color of the horizontal line, you can change the width of the line, and you can change the size. The next tag we are going to learn, that is paragraph tag. Now see, in every website there are the pages, web pages are there, and every web pages there are the different paragraphs there. Now suppose I want to write the paragraph below actually in this flower. Okay, so I can insert one paragraph over there. So image is over, then we can insert a paragraph by using the p tag. So p tag is used to insert the paragraph. So how many paragraph you are going to take, that paragraph you will get. Now I am going to insert the paragraph over here. So for that I am going to copy some text. For example, now this I want the text, that's why I went over here for copying instead of writing. I am taking over here and pasting. So this text I have written, this is the first paragraph. Okay, and you want to close it here. If the paragraph you want to close, then close, and you can start a new one. So suppose you in your web page you want two paragraphs, so you can use two times this paragraph, paste it. So these are the two paragraphs are there. Now the first paragraph is going to end over here and the second paragraph is going to end over here. Save this file and see the output. Refresh this page. See, you got a two paragraph over here. So first paragraph and the second paragraph. In this paragraph your text were small, that's why here two different line you can see over here, but you can increase this. So I'm inserting the more text inside now. Like this text I'm going to insert in the first paragraph. Now let's see the output. Save this program and see the output. Refresh the web page, you will come to know what is called paragraph. Now see, this is called paragraph. This is the first paragraph because the first text were less, that's why you will not able to understand what is paragraph. Now you can see the paragraph full page is covered. This is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph. So where you want to make a second paragraph, you have to start again with the paragraph tag. So p tag is means paragraph tag. This is the use of to make a paragraph on the web page. Okay, now we are going to learn the new tag that is called table tag, creating a table. Now sometime what happen, once you visit the website, on that web page there will be the table. Sometime you are finding the tables. How they create a tables, you learn in the Microsoft Word easily. You go to the insert and click on the table comes. But in this web page you are going to write the HTML code, then the table will appear, otherwise no. So here you have to write the code for inserting the table. For that you are going to use the table tag. So creating table, a table is made up of rows and column. You know that table is made up of rows and column. I'll show the one example of table. You'll come to know the table how it looks. Look here the table like this. So like this table you want to make. So in this these three columns are there here, 1 2 and 3 columns are there and 4 rows are there. First row called as a heading row, second, third and fourth, altogether 4 rows are there, 4 rows and 3 columns. Like this table you are going to insert, then you are going to use the table tag. So now you understood a table is made up of rows and column. A table in a web page is created by using table tag. And which is the container tag? It has a attribute. While creating the table tag, it has the attributes of whenever you are going to create a table. Now I am going to create a table below this second paragraph, so I can use here table tag. Okay, I can use your table tag. So once you use the table tag, it has some attribute. Border attribute is there. Suppose you want to give the border to the table, then table border equal 1 you can give. By default 0 it is, so you can give 1. Okay, so if you're not given the border, then the table border will be not displayed, but table will be created. Okay, so this is the table tag and the border is the attribute. Now the next, suppose you want to print caption. So caption tag is used to specify a table heading. You want to give a heading to the table, then you can. Now look here, a heading is given on. Let's see. So this output 3, like this heading on to give, then you can use the caption tag. The caption tag will print a heading. Okay, now let's see. Suppose I'm going to give the caption tag. I'm going to use the caption tag. It is used to specify table heading and it is a align attribute which can have top or bottom as it is value. Top is the default value, so we can use the caption tag over here and you can give the caption. For example, this is student detail. we are going to print serial number, name of the students, okay, and the address. So students detail we can write student details, and then complete the caption tag. Once you complete the caption tag, you will see the caption over here. Save the file and refresh and check it. You will come to know where the caption, see the caption is printed over here, and step by step you will see the table also. So now I'm going to create a table with the border 1. Okay, now in a table you want to create a first row. To create a row in a table, we are going to use a tr tag. We are going to use a tr tag, and this tag is used to create each row of the table. If each row you want to create in a table, you have to use a tr tag. So tr tag will create a row in a table. Now I'm going to create a first row, but in this first row I'm going to uh, create a heading also. So th tag we can use. Look here, again I am showing you this. These are the heading, and this is the first row you are going to create. So tr tag is over there. To give the heading, you can use the th tag. You can use the th tag. So I am going to use here th tag. So table heading, th means table heading, tr means table row. Now what heading you are going to give? Serial number, for example, or roll number you can use. Student details means roll number. So roll number you want to give, then complete the th tag. Close the th tag. Okay, and here you want to complete the first row, then you can complete the tr tag also. You can complete the tr tag. So here I completed the first row here, but in this row I want like this. Only roll number I don't want, but in the roll number, then the name of the student, and then the city I want to create over here. Here it is given serial number, input device, output device. You can create this way, but I have given the caption student details, so I want to use here roll number, here name of the students, and here city. So I can again use the th tag to create a table heading. So I can use the th tag, so it will not complete over here. Now tr tag, once the heading is over of the table, then you can complete. So here copy and paste it. How many heading you are going to give? 3. So roll number is over, then student name, students name, or name of the students, like this you can write. Then again copy it and paste it, and you can give the third column heading, that is city. Okay, now save this and check it whether the first row is created with the heading or no. So refresh this web page. So you'll come to know this, the first row is printed. Now student detail, first row is printed, roll number, student name, and city. Now here table heading is given with the 3 column, first column, second column, and third column. Now we are going to create a next row. Again you are going to create a next row, then you have to start with again tr tag. New row you are going to create, then tr tag, and again in the tr tag you are going to place the information in the table, like this: keyboard, monitor, like this. I am going to print roll number 1, name of the student, and the city of the student. For that, this information called as the table heading will be printed in the board, but you are going to print the data inside in the table. Then the td tag we are going to use, td. So we are going to use the td tag. Now here we are going to use the, where the roll number is there td tag. So td means table data. I am putting the roll number 1 over here. Okay, and then completing the td tag. So I have completed here td tag. Similar way, in the next column I am going to put student name. So copy and paste it down, and here write student name. For example, student name is Ramesh, so you can write Ramesh over here, and is city you are going to write, then copy and paste it again here. So you can save your time. Here write the Ramesh city, where is stay, write Kudal. Okay, and then complete the second row. You want to complete the second row, you have to close the tr tag with the forward slash. Save this output, save this HTML code, and open in the browser. Every time this you want to see the output, open in the browser, you will get a output like this. Look here, you will get a outputs here: roll number, student name, and city. Roll number 1, student name Ramesh, city Kuda. One more row you are going to add, just you are going to copy and paste the second row as it is and make the changes. So you can save the time. Now second, here roll number 2, you can change the name. Instead of Ramesh, you can write over here next student name and his city. Okay, save this file and refresh the page. Instead of 100 time opening this by double clicking on that file and open in browser, so many times, see 1 2 3 4, like this page tab will open. So if you refresh again and again, you will get a output. Now see the refreshing, you will get you got a output here, roll number, student name and city. So this way you can create a table. To create a table, we can use the table tag. To create a row in a table, tr tag we are going to use. To give the heading to the table, th tag we can use. And to put the data inside, td tag we are going to use. Now see all this tag I showed you here. This is first row, second row, and this is the heading row. Okay, so th tag we can use to give the heading, tr tag to create a row, td tag to insert a data in a table, and to create a table, table tag, and to give the uh, title to this means caption tag is used to specify a table heading. On top, it will display top of the table or the bottom of the table. For that reason, we can use the caption tag. Now we are going to learn the color, some background color. Suppose you want to give the background color to the this one table cell, we can use the background color. One attribute I showed, that is the border attribute. Here I showed you the border attribute, so that's why the border. Suppose you remove this border, now you remove this and save this file and check how you got output. This output will change now. Look here, refresh this page and see, without border you got output. Without border, there is no borders, so no one can see this. This is a table. Without border, the user will not understand whether this is a table or any other information in place column wise. So you want that information in the table, then you have to use the border here, border 1. Okay, so this will display the border to your table. Now we are going to display the border color. It display the border in a specific color, border color if you are going to use. Now I am going to give the border color, border color. Color spelling you should not write color, color equal which color this border you want color, that color you can give. Matching color you must give. The background color is yellow, so red color can match to the border. Save this, open in the browser and check it. So the red color came to the border. Red color came to the border. So this way you can give the border, you can give the color to the table border. Okay, next, if you want to align the data in a table, now center alignment, left alignment. Now see the table data is printed to the left side. This roll number 1 2, it went to the left side. Ramesh and also the left side, and city also. This data you want to bring it center of this column, then you can use the center alignment. So here I am going to use now center alignment. So here td align, gn align center. Okay, save and open in the browser and check it whether data is aligned or no. See the data is aligned here. Roll number 1 went front and this is remain as it is, means center alignment is taken over here. So you can use the center alignment to the next also. Roll number 1 is went to center, so copy this one and put the roll number 2 also, take it center. Save and once again see the output. So the output will get here data arranged in center in that particular column. Okay, so this is the use of alignment attribute of the table. Now one more attribute is left, that is background color you can give to the table. It says the background color for the table, so we can give the background color now for the table. Here bg color, which color you want for the background, that you can give. Here I am going to give sky blue. A sky blue color we can give. Save this file, open in the browser and check whether the color is displayed. See, the sky blue color is displayed for the table. Background color also is given to the table. So this way you can use the attribute of the table tags. So altogether, how many attribute of the table tag we have learned? Border, border color, align, and background color, bg color. So these are the different attributes of the table tags. Some attributes, one more attribute also are there, tr, th, and td. The particularly you are going to give the color, then you can use the alignment. Just now we saw alignment. Okay. Now we are going to learn row span and the column span to merge the data here. To merge the data, we can use the column span and the row span. So instead of learning next lecture, we are going to see in this lecture only column span and the row span. I am going to use now col span and the row span here. Okay, now we are going to learn the row span in the tr tag, where the roll number is here I am going to use. So here I am going to use tr, where the data is a td. Alignment I am taking out now. Instead of alignment, I am going to use row span over here. So td, you are going to use just r row span. How many rows you are going to merge? 2. So equal 2 you can write over here and save the file and open in the browser and check the output how you are getting. See, here this row is merged. Here row, 2 rows over there, it is merged already. Okay, you want to see the clear output, then second data you have to take out this one. Here you can take out this, not required. Save, open in the browser. See, here it is merged. These 2 rows over there, that is merge over here. So that is the use of row span. What is the use of row span? Row span attribute is used within td or ts tag. So it create a single rows spanning across the table, and it take a number value. Just now I use a number value, that is how many rows I am going to merge. 2 rows. So that's why it is taken 2. So this way you can use. Now if you are going to merge the columns, suppose you are going to make this student name till here, city I don't want, but this 2 column I am going to merge, then we can use col span. So this attribute is used within the td or th tag, and it create a single column. Instead of 2 column, it will create a single column. Now student, here I am going to use now th. Is th is there I am going to use the col span. You are going to merge the column, then you can use. How many column you are going to merge? 2 column into the 1 column. So we can merge this, and I don't want this city over here, so I am taking out this city and save this code, open in the browser and check it. Now you will get output like this. Look here, this here it is merged, and here this column also merged. The city is gone, but here student name is came to the both the column here, student name and city, and but it is merged with single column. The 2 columns were there, it become a 1 column. Here 2 rows were there, it become a 1 row. Okay, this is the use of col span and the row span. So my dear students, I hope you understood how to use the heading label tag, how to use image tag, how to use paragraph tag, hr tag, and how to create the table in a web page with different attributes. We have all together we have learned different attribute. Image tag attribute we have learned, that is src, height, width, and alt. hr tags attribute also we learn, color, width, size. Paragraph tag we learn, then the tables and their attributes. Okay, So different attributes will learn: border color, align, background color, alignment, call span, and the row span. In the next lectures we are going to learn hyperlink in web page, creating hyperlink in web page. So I hope you understood this HTML5 code. So my dear student, you have to practice by using and writer app in your mobile, or if you're having the computer, you can type this code in notepad or any other text editor, for example Sublime text editor. Thank you.